are dash less squares than triangles in the given figure. Let's count the squares and triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 23 triangles are there. 23 triangles. And let's count the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 are there. Then I think there are 10. That's why we will take 10. Identify the shapes marked as A, B and C. A is a triangle, B is a square and C is a circle. A is a square? No. A is a triangle and B is a square and C is a circle. That's why we will take this B thing. Count the number of triangles in the figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's why we will take this one. Bye friends.